Dear student, we are looking carefully. Now this symbol indicates that it is 90 degrees. The interior angles of the triangle, look at these two and this one. The sum of the three is always 180. If this is 90, then 90 remains for these two. You should simplify the angles here when solving the question. AEKB. It doesn't matter. It also doesn't matter where I write A or B. You can write it wherever you want. Let's write this as B. Then look, what will the sum of A and B here be? Now, let's write it. A plus B equals 90. The sum of these two is 90. This is also 90. There you have 180. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. Now, look, here is the same 90. This also has the same 90. This also has the same 90. What will we do? We will proceed in the same way. Pay attention. I saw in this language A, in this language B, that the sum of A and B is 90, isn't it? Now pay very close attention. A and B, isn't it 90? Look here. Here's 90. So what should the angle here be? It should be A. And B are 90. Look, if this is 90, then if this is A, this should be B. A and B are 90. This is how we will simplify it. Come, now over here. Look, now this is 90. All of this is a height A, just like the same triangle. All of this. White sheet. If this is 90, then 90 will remain for the other two. So if I call this letter A, look, since A and B are 90, A and B, meaning this should be B. A and B are 90. And this here is also 90. Then 80. Now, after this information, let's move on to the question. Look, now the lengths are 16, 8, 14, and it asks about this part. X is 90. 90 and 90. When I see this question, I will simplify it. I will immediately say, let this angle be a... Then what will this angle be? B. Look, now A and B are 90. Another 90 here makes 180. The important thing is to catch this. 90. Look, now if this is 90, what should this part be? It should be A. A, B, 90, another 90. Hop 180. This is 90. Since this is A, then this part is also B. After finding the angles, we will make a ratio. Look carefully. We will say, look. Start from the small one, start from the big one. It doesn't matter. Let's look from the small one. Look. What is opposite angle A? X. Now, come to this triangle. What is opposite angle A? 8. You make the ratio like this. Equals. Now, who did we start with? The small one. Then we go back to the small one again. This is it. Now I looked from B. How much? First, like this. Now I'm looking from B, how much? 16? Up to this point, okay? Look, now let me show you another very nice way. This simplifies with this, divide by 8, 1, divide by 8, 2, the division of x by 1 is x. The division of 14 by 2 is 7. So we say that this length is 7. We can shorten this even more. After doing the practices and learning this topic, after watching plenty of solution videos, solving this question takes me 2 seconds. How do I look at it? 16 and 8. This is half of that. So half of 14 is 7. That's all.